The Mouse King and his daughter. Long ago there lived happily a Mouse King with his daughter. When his daughter grew young and beautiful, he thought of marry her. One day he called all his counselor in the court. He said to them, "My daughter is pretty and young. Moreover, she is my only child. So I want to marry her to the most handsome husband. I also want him to be the strongest things upon the earth. The sun can be the fittest regime for the princess, because there can be no life upon the earth without the sun." Advice of the counselor. "Yes, she should be married to the sun," said the king. Another counselor, who was listening to everything patiently, suddenly cried, "No, a cloud is stronger than the sun, because it can cover the sun. Why then I cloud will be my son-in-law." Squared by the Mouse King. But object the third mouse counselor, "A cloud is a weaker than the wind. A gust of wind can easily blow away a patch of cloud. True, wind must be her groom," said the Mouse King. But murmured another mouse counselor, "Nothing in the world is stronger than the earth." "Then I shall marry her to the earth," declared the king. Soon the king with his daughter and the counselor came out of the place and looked for the fine pieces of the earth. But lo, a little mouse was digging a hole into the earth. "A mouse is the greatest thing in the world," said the counselor. "When then only a mouse can be the husband of my daughter," said the Mouse King. And that is how the Mouse King could find a groom for his daughter.